Why does your scanner show the P0A7F engine code? What does it mean? P0A7F is a diagnostic trouble code for hybrid EV battery pack, a deterioration. This engine code indicates that the HV battery pack is experiencing issues, possibly due to reduced capacity or increased resistance. This can lead to reduced driving range and performance issues. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: age and mileage, environmental factors, internal battery issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Dodge, Hyundai, Toyota Prius, and Honda Civic hybrid models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.